Oxford Business Group has now launched the report Oman 2023. This, the 17th edition of the group's annual Business Intelligence Report, explores Oman's progress towards achieving the long-term goals laid out in its Vision 2040 roadmap, which include diversifying the economy and accelerating privatisation and Omanisation. The report, Oman 2023, shines a spotlight on the sectors that are ripe for growth in support of these aims, which range from tourism, manufacturing and energy to ICT, transport, mining and agriculture. The newly launched report also tracks the positive impact that legislative reforms introduced to enhance the Sultanate's business environment, as well as improve public finances, are having on investment inflows and private sector development. As it emerges from the disruption of the pandemic, the Sultanate has renewed efforts to balance Oman's finances and prepare it for a post-oil economy, including by cutting unproductive subsidies and introducing a value-added tax, as the government works to meet the objectives of the medium-term fiscal balance plan. Aided by elevated oil prices and pro-business policies, Oman's real GDP growth rate rebounded to 3% in 2021, before accelerating to 4.3% in 2022, according to IMF estimates. The report looks at how the removal of restrictions on foreign investment through the Foreign Capital Investment Law is helping to stimulate capital inflows into productive sectors and generate new revenue streams and jobs in the process. Oman's industrial, free and special economic zones are key areas of focus in the report, with analysis on how infrastructure improvements, incentives and concessions are playing a role in attracting investors into high-potential industries in these designated areas. In this new edition of the report, Oman, OBG also looks in detail at the Sultanate's plans for its energy sector, which include reducing the focus on oil and gas and shifting to cleaner fuels, in line with the goal to become a net zero economy by 2050. In this section, the country's long-term aim of becoming a global leader in the production and export of green hydrogen are also analysed. Other topics examined include the key role that Oman's robust and well-regulated banking sector is playing in the post-pandemic recovery phase, with a fertile financial technology ecosystem proving to be instrumental in increasing financial inclusion. Read the report Oman 2023 for insights into these topics and more from our on-the-ground experts, as well as insights from key government figures and leaders of public and private sector companies.